Alright, class, what math operation do we have here? Multiplication. Let's multiply. So negative 3 times positive 2 gives us I times I is I squared. Partner A, tell partner B, what do we know about I squared? Class, I squared is equal to? Negative 1. That was yesterday's lesson, so I have now negative 6 times a negative 1. Common mistake here is to think that is a negative 7. But remember, it's multiplication here, multiplication here, multiplication here. Negative 6 times negative 1 is positive 6. Raise your hand if you got that. Good. Okay, this one's a little bit different, new. We have the square root of negative 12 times the square root of negative 2. Now pay attention. If your temptation is probably to multiply the two numbers and get positive 24. Okay? But before you do that, you'll need to simplify the negative 1. Okay? So here, I have negative 1 times 12 and negative 1 times 2. Class, the square root of negative 1 becomes, so I have I radical 12 times I radical 2. And then I times I is I squared. Now, I'll put these both inside the house, so the radical sign, so I have 12 times 2 is 24, and 24 can be written as maybe like 4 times 6. Now, you could have broken this down into something like 3 times 4 times 2. That would have been fine as well. And class, the square root of 4 is 2. The radical 6 stays inside. And I squared is equal to negative 1. So this is like negative 1 times 2. Multiplication out here, so that would be negative 2 radical 6. So here we're just multiplying complex numbers and simplifying.